Linking your bank account to HubSpot can streamline your financial processes and improve your business management. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into HubSpot. Access your HubSpot account by entering your credentials on the HubSpot login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to link a bank account. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select the payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Add your bank account. Look for an option to add bank account or link new account. Click on this option and enter the required information such as your bank account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to HubSpot, enhancing your financial management capabilities. If you encounter any issues, refer to HubSpot support resources for additional assistance.